Yesterday, I forgot my snacks at home. I was so hungry and didn't know what to do.
But you should tell us. We could share our snacks with you.
As friends, always share. Next time, just come sit with us.
We are glad that Scene 5, new to the school.
When I was new to the school, I did not know anyone. I was so shy. We remember, but see you now, smiling and talking. We have come a long way.
We are glad that you are our friend.
I am glad too. You showed me empathy when I needed it. Thank you.
Our friends Abu Bakr and Abhishek are ready to lead us with the pledge.
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 I promise to be kind.
I promise to be kind.
I promise to care.
I promise to care.
I will listen to others
I will listen to others
and always be fair.
and always be fair.
If someone is sad,
If someone is sad,
I'll help them feel strong.
I help them feel strong.
I'll use kind words
I'll use kind words
and include everyone
and include everyone
because empathy matters
because empathy matters
to everyone under the sun.
to everyone under the sun.